This week's art inspiration is by Bert Dodson, painter, illustrator, teacher, and author. I showed you one of his books in Toon School's video on doodling. Dodson said, "You need both a vision and a willingness to depart from it. That's the nature of creativity." So you have this idea for the greatest artwork the world has ever seen, and you boldly step up to the blank page or canvas. But once you begin creating, the work starts talking back. And then comes that crushing moment when you realize that the image on the paper is not going to match the image you have in your mind. The composition shifts, the proportions fight the pose, the quill refuses the line weight. The painting mediums don't mix the way you thought they would. True story. This is when we step into Dodson's wisdom. Have a vision, yes, but be willing to pivot. This is when the process becomes a collaboration, a negotiation between creativity and reality. And sometimes the version that emerges, the one we never planned, is even better than the one we imagined. Go out, be great, listen to your art, and may the creative force be with you.